Good morning, Bhopal. Good morning, India. Today is 26th January, and we are going for a birding expedition on a very beautiful and auspicious day. So let us hope we get good birds today. This is my the goggle, if you can see, is basically by 3M, and this saves us from all the small mosquitoes and the air, of course, because it is very chilly day in Bhopal, and if you go without these goggles, there is watering of the eyes continuously, so you cannot really go for a good picture. So you see, this is starting of the jungle, and I'm hopeful to get beautiful birds today. I will put some beautiful snaps either or videos of some birds, and I'm going to one water park or sort of a thing, which is basically the water ponds after the treatment, the sewage water treatment, and because it is frequently visited by me but very infrequently visited by others, we are going to get good snaps. It is relatively undisturbed by the people. वहाँ लोग ज़्यादा नहीं जाते, वहाँ बर्ड्स ज़्यादा आती है. जहाँ बर्ड्स ज़्यादा आती है वहाँ बर्डिंग के लिए सबसे बेस्ट है, और उसके लिए मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूँ मेरी छोटी सी स्कूटी का. और स्कूटी का सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा ये होता है कि ये आराम से कहीं भी जा सकती है जहाँ कार नहीं जा सकती है. So let us hope for the great.